Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be showing you how I created this manicure using dip powders. So here are the powders that I will be using today. So the first one is from the brand Revel Nail and this is in the shade Emily. Next powders are from the brand Born Pretty and the shades are King and this is a blue holographic chunky glitters. Next is the shade First and this is a pink holographic chunky glitters. And for the liquids, I will be using the Lavender Violets base as well as their activator. And for my top coat, I will be using my Blue Sky No Wipe top coat. So to start off, I will be applying my Model 1's Nail Dehydrator on all of my nails. This will just remove the natural oil on my nails. And the next, I move on to my Lavender Violets base and I apply a thin layer of this on my nail and then immediately dip my nail into the powder and then top off the excess. So I will be applying 3 layers of Emily on all of my nails. Also, I just want to mention that make sure you brush off the excess powder before you move on to your next layer. Otherwise, your nails will gonna end up really thick and bumpy and you will end up spending a lot of time with your buffing and filing. So make sure you brush off the excess. So then once I'm finished with Emily, I brush off all the excess powder and then I move on to my next powder from Born Pretty and this is in the shade King. So first I apply a thin layer of the base and then I grab my fluffy eyeshadow brush and use it to dust the powder on half of my nail, concentrating on the free edge. So then I use my orange stick to move some of the glitters. So then I move on to my pinky nail and do the same step. Next, I brush off the excess powder and then I move on to my middle and pointy nail. So I'm just repeating the same step using the shade First. So then once I'm finished with all of my nails, I move on to the clear powder and encapsulate my nails. This step is very important, especially when you are using glitters like this. So this will protect your glitters from filing and buffing. So then once I'm finished with clear, I brush up all the excess powder and then I move on to the activator. So I apply a generous amount of the activator on all of my nails. This will harden up the powder and make it ready for filing. So then next, I go ahead and file and buff off camera, and then I brush off all the dust and clean my nails with alcohol spray, or you can also wash your hands if you want to. So then next, I move on to my Blue Sky No Wipe Top Coat. So I apply 2 layers of this on my nails and cure it for 30 seconds. This step is optional. You can always use your deep powder top coat if you want to. So then once my nails are cured, I apply cuticle oil. And we are done. That's it guys for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and give it a thumbs up if you did. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you on my next one.